Kung ano yung itsura sa gitara mo, yan. Kung maganda representation, tingnan mo muna yung ganyan. Tapos tingnan mo na yung gitara mo.
Shawty right there, she's got everything I need. And I'ma tell her one time. Give that less, let yourself fall. I love your hair like that. The way it goes outside, hey, and I'm sure that. Ready? Ready? Ready ka na? No, so many pretty faces. Now all I see is you.
Ikaw mag-guess.
Okay po, okay, nasa marketplace po tayo, naghahanap po tayo ng gitara para sa panliliwan, mga haraan natin, para po finally maging girlfriend na po natin yung nililigawan natin.
Kunwari, ito yung pinapakitang letter. D.
Oh.
Para makita lang ulit. Oh. Ito yung, itong anim na to, na vertical lines, yung pa ganon. Yan yung represents yung ano, yung string ng guitar. Yung pinaka left, yan yung pinaka makapal na string. Yung pinaka right, yan yung pinaka manipis. So, dito sa letrang, sa note na D, ang nakapindot dito yung tatlo. Susundan mo lang yan sa guitar. Ano yung pipindutin mo? So, ganyan ang itsura niyan. So, ganyan.
So parang nakaganyan pala sa gitara.
Sa guitar, ganyan yan. Ganyan.
Diyan ko.
Yan, mapapag-strum ka na. Yan.
Intindihan ko na.
Tapos itong dulo, yan lang yung dulo ng gitara na walang part ng ano. Tapos itong mga hiwalay-hiwalay na yan, yung mga lines na ganito, fretboard. So, parang yun yung mga pagitan. So, itong dalawang to, after ng unang pagitan, itong isa, after ng second pagitan, susunod mo lang kung ano yung itsura sa gitara mo, yan. Kung maganda representation, tingnan mo muna yung ganyan. Tapos tingnan mo na yung gitara mo. Gagayahin mo lang siya. Tapos yan.
Galing.
Tapos, pipindutin mo lang. Pag may hindi ka familiar na chord, napipindot naman yung mga ano eh. Yan, for example, yung mga E minor, A, yan, B minor. Ayan, kita naman dyan eh, kung ano yung pipindutin mo eh. So, imagine mo lang ganyan. Ito yung gano'n yung gitara mo eh.
Galing, no?
Yun.
Ayos, ayos. Ayan, first lesson, wala pa kaming gitara. Tuturuan niya na ako mag-guitar lesson.
Para hindi ka na ano yun, memory ano lang, yung tatandaan mo lang.
Oo.
Para medyo ano yun mo na, nababasa mo na kahit pa paano.
Ayos,
Nakamiss yung gitara.
Yan, ngayon, maghanap kami ng gitara sa marketplace. Yun ang next. Dati kasi nung pag ginaaral ko sa gitara nung kami nung high school, minamemorize ko yung kamay, itsura. So ngayon at least alam ko na dun sa kahit anong ngayon ko lang tutunan.
Basta may internet.
At of 30 years. Ngayon lang ako natuto magbasa. So at least alam pa sana natin.
So,
G-time.
Good investment. Kaysa magbulaklak.
Mas tipid. Isang bagsala pabili ng gitara. Ano, lifetime.
Nalalata yung ano yung bulaklak eh.
Come on, come on. Sige, alam kayo mamaya ng gitara. Meet up kami. So hopefully okay. Pakita natin. G! Ma! ko.
me, it's you. I'ma tell you one time. I'ma tell you one time. I'ma tell you one time. When I met you, got my heart went knock knock. Nothing but a friend, this time I won't stop. Even though it's a struggle, I'm sorry down. We gon' keep climbing till the mountain top. Your world is my world. Your fight is your fight. My breath is your breath. Your hurt. 'Cause girl, you're my one love, my one heart, my one life for sure. Let me tell you one time.
Ow! Ouch!
Shut it right there. Shut it right there. Shut it right there. She's got everything I need. And I'ma tell her one time, one time. Give you everything you need. Down to my last dime, you make me happy. I know where I'll be. She is yours for me. Good love you. Good love you. Never be a one guy, no girl, always making time for you. I'ma tell you one time. I'ma tell you one time.
Ow! Oh! Alright. MRT. Practice tayo. Kila Jordan. Diyan natin nakasama. Tapos tayo mag-gitara ulit. G!
Yung pre-chorus, diba?
Should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know it's not for me.
Teka. Sige, play mo nga, try mo nga.
Sorry.
Go, sige, go. 5, 7, go.
Ay, sorry.
Ah,
Should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know, I just want you to know it's not for me. So that you
sige, go lang. Papractice ko lang.
Sige. Sarap pag yung quick kick.
Hindi ko naman tama
Tuwa mo na eh.
Pero,
Ulit.
wait lang.
Okay.
Sige nga. Ay,
Teka lang
sige
natin.
pala.
Ah.
Sorry, dito.
Teka pa yan.
Guys, ulit-ulit lang yun.
Mm.
Simula medyo okay. C. G. So, ayan. Or lower. Gusto ko yung may ganun sana eh, may pero
May
nalilito
detect.
ako eh. Kasi
Oo.
ang problema, ang dami eh.
Parang ini-strum mo, no?
Oo. Oh, parang piano yung
Oo,
inaano ko eh. Kaya
ganyan,
medyo
ganyan.
ano ko eh. Kaya ko ulit-ulitin lang yon pero
Sige.
parang may teka. Pero kailangan ko i-aralin yung
Sige, aralin mo.
sa pre-chorus.
Nagkakapi ako.
C. So, equal lang. Parang ang ginagawa ko sa D mo na Ito muna yung ina-emphasize ko lang yung tatlong
Yun yung tama naman yung acoustic ni Justin Bieber. Yun yung tama yung sa'yo.
okay.
Let me tell you a story about a girl and boy.
Tama ka ako.
Fell in love with his best friend. When she's around, it feels nothing like a joy. Oh my love,
Taas, boy!
you can't find less let you. You can't find less let yourself fall.
Kailangan mo harap ko. Kailangan ito nakatayo. Hindi ko na mahuli yung ano.
Yung mga ibang ano.
Yung mga pang notes. Kailangan na
Okay.
harap.
Baka naman gusto mo babaan lang.
Sige, sige. Mas maganda. Mas maganda. Mas maganda.
Baka naman mas
Kaya nga.
mo yung mga ano.
Let me tell you a story about a girl and a boy. Fell in love with his best friend. When she's around, it feels nothing but joy. She was already broken and made her dime. She could never believe that love ever treated her right. Did you know that I love you? Or were you not aware? You're the
Ay, mali!
Ayun.
Wait lang, wait lang. Ay, tama.
Did you know that you're the smile?
Ah, sige, sige. Sorry, sorry. Kung top, sorry.
Actually, pwede naman mag-phone lang naman.
Ah, sige.
Pag ano, pag kahit doon lang, okay lang.
Sige.
Pang ano ba lang? Ano yan? Just in case.
Just in case, just in case.
Did you know that I love you? Or were you not aware? You're the smile on my face, and I ain't going nowhere. Here to make you happy, here to see your smile, but I've been wanting to tell you this for a long while. It's gonna make you fall in love. I know you got your all wrapped all the way around your heart. I'm too scared at all. Oh my love,
Hindi ko alam yung tono na yun, sorry.
oh my love, oh my love.
Hindi ko may ginawa siya eh. Hindi niya rin alabot eh. Ay, tinas niya pala.
Pinas yan.
Sige, hindi ako
Oh
maiyak.
my love, oh my love.
Yeah, tama yun. Tama yun.
What's gonna make you fall?
Sige.
Ay, iba na.
Sorry, sorry.
Kasi,
What's gonna make you fall in love? When you got your rope wrapped all the way around your heart, not to be scared at all. Oh my love, you can't find this selection. You can't find this selection. I can tell you're afraid of what things might do. Cause we got such an amazing friendship that you don't wanna lose. I don't wanna lose it either. Don't think I can stay sitting around while you're hurting, baby. So take my hand. Did you know you're an angel? You forgot how to fly. Did you know that it breaks my heart every time I see you cry? 'Cause I know that it beats if it's gone every time you're the wrong. I'm sure that you cry, you know. And I hope by the time that I'm done with the song that I figured out what's gonna make you fall in love. I know you got your all wrapped all the way around your heart, not to be scared at all. Oh my love, but you can't find less and let you can't find less and let yourself fall. I will catch you if you fall. I will catch you if you fall. I will catch you if you fall. If you spread your wings, you can fly away with me. So keep find less and let you. You keep find less and let yourself fall. Thank you, Reneta!
Gising si Hani, natulog na si Hani, oh. Sarap pa na si Hani sa nating kantahan session. Ilaw ka boy, para may ano, para may ambience.
Ano ba yun? Nalimutan ko.
Memorize ka pa yata? Ano yan?
iPad?
There are no words
Ah,
in a picture. There are no words in a picture of
Something
you,
like that.
girl. Your eyes and those curves escape you from some other world. You walk in my way, God, it's so frustrating. You come in, you come in, everything's so small. And la la la, like it flying like I got no chains at all. If I could be a Superman, I'd fly you to the stars and back again. 'Cause every time I touch my hand, I can feel my powers running through your veins. I can write this song and tell you that I'm not that strong. 'Cause I'm no Superman. I hope you like me as I am. Oh, la 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 la. Oh.
yeah. Pwede,
Alam ko na, Ingrid na talaga sa'yo, ah.
Parang ano eh. Parang naalala ko lang yung tono, tsaka yung kung ano yung kamay.
Wow, romantic boy.
Yan, romantic.
Bakit sa?
Romantic bad boy.
Romantic bad boy.
Eh, paano nga ba yung ano nun? Daliri nun?
The music na you had a last moment that didn't last forever. Why you went so boy, that's again like a love. For a second you were hit like a world then shot out of step. You moving your body like you never had a love. Oh, never had a love. Had a lot of vision, again that condition.
Ito ba, ano, nakakapagod dyan. Kasi bar chords lahat. Yun, tawag yun, bar chords ang tawag.
I'm popping bottles and tripping. This is my shoes and clothes and you tripping, baby.
Yeah.
You look so beautiful in your dress.
Mamaya na siguro okay lang.
Sige.
Sige lang. Parang give mo muna ng ano.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls outside your neck. Then I'm sure that
Yun lang.
Nice.
Nice! Ano ba? Papahinga ulit, pahinga. Tapos save ulit. Reset.
Tapos, gusto mo gawin natin. Ay, mag-one less ka pa, di ba?
Parang mag-speech na po, pahinga na ako, papahinga muna ako sa
Sige.
mali.
Okay, okay.
Tapos pag na-yes, mag-one list ng limit.
Okay, sige. Papractice ko yung one test pag ano. Mag-beats ako.
Ah.
O gusto, ikaw mag-guitar, di ba? Sa
Ay,
one
ito,
test.
sige. Masakit pagkatapos niya, tapos mag-speech ako.
Sige,
I
sige.
love you. So may committed for the rest of your life.
you look so wonderful in your dress. I
nagkamali.
Okay, hindi halata.
Yeah! Yeah, maganda nga may beat ka, hindi nakahalata na nagkakamali.
Oh, hindi halata. Parang marami nangyayari.
Oo nga. Ayan.
No.
Ano po yung sinasabi nyo kanina? Dapat DS na yan kasi may lifting na.
Wala nang ano pa ba naman magpe-prayers pa? Kailangan ba ng prayers? Sana sagot. Pray-lifting na! Yes, amen, oo, yes na yes. Ganon. Diba? Jesus Maria.
Tinatanong ko.
Salamat.
Huwag mo na tanongin.
Salamat sa support, tita. Pampalakas ng loob.
Siyempre, ganun talaga.
Salamat po.
Bye!
Bye-bye po. Wala na sa Jollibee. Princess! Saka dito. Dito, lapit ka ba? Come closer. Ito. Ito pa, lapit pa. Come closer. Yeah. Ready? Ready ka na? Ready ka na? Hindi ako basa.
Sa kanya tumingin ako. Huwag ka tumingin sa akin.
Ay, baldehan dala.
Hindi.
5, 6, 7, 8. You look so beautiful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls outside of your neck, down shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all of these lights and people so much. You've got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us. Should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know it's enough for me. So that you are all that I ever need. So in love. So in love. So in love. So in love.
You look so beautiful in your dress. I love your hair like that. Ito yung delivery. Ito yung delivery, oh. Kasi may nantay akong delivery. Tuloy pa rin. Tama na. Ano romantic? Ready? Ready ka na? May next song pa kami.
Wow!
Many I told you and start over some shoulders that you cried on before. How many promises, be honest girl, how many tears you let hit the floor? Many bags you packed just to take him back. Tell me that I'll be either or. No more if you let me inside of your world. There'll be one less lonely girl. Oh no, so many pretty faces. Now all I see is you. No, no, don't need these other pretty faces. When you're mine in the world, it's gonna be one less lonely girl. One less lonely girl. One less lonely girl. One less lonely girl. There's gonna be one less lonely girl. I'm gonna put you first. I'll show you what you're worth. You let me inside of your world. There'll be one less lonely girl. Okay. Dahil dyan, tapos na yung kumanta ng first set namin.
Ay, first set pa lang.
Dahil first set namin kumanta ng first set natin. Naalala mo yung promise dito, yung promise ring mo?
Ano?
Sabihin ko na yung promise mo. So,
Nanginginig.
nanginginig ka? In advance ko na yung promise ring mo. Kasi, wala fantasy mo nung graduate. Dapat ngayon ko bibigay. So, nung ano na lang, nung graduation. Pero dapat ngayon ko bibigay. So, ngayon ko na lang sabihin yung promise.
Kinakabahan ako.
So, promise ko, always, everyday dito ko. Always, kung mag-away man tayo, may kukwentuhan man tayo, mag-bonding man tayo, marami man tayong challenges, marami man tayong adventures, dito lang ako.
Kinakabahan. Bakit ka ganyan? Sasakalin ka.
May pailaw pa ako. So, ang promise ko, hindi susukuan pag may something, anything. And then, I'll be here. Hindi tayo magko-compromise pagdating sa challenges. And I'll be here pag success mo, the failures mo, and everything in between. Yun yung promise ko, nandito lang ako. So, as long as nasa iyo to, tanggap mo yung promise na yun. So, ito yung question. This is my final, this is my question. Ito na. Di ba, fantasy mong kumanta ako na nagigitara?
Oo.
Ito na, this is that moment. Tatanungin na kita. Will you be my girlfriend?
Gaganyan. Hindi ako prepared. Hindi na nakadress ako. Pati maganda ako ngayon.
Yan, dito yung first date, di ba? O, dito. Kahit umuulan, unstoppable. Salamat sa delivery boy natin.
Oo.
Gwapong delivery boy.
All the way from Pasay.
All the way from Pasay. Na-traffic yan. Nalakyan sa Mega Mall.
Grabe kayo.
Ah. Kailangan ba luluhod ba yan? Hindi ba?
Ano?
Yun, that's my question. Finally, lalagyan na ba natin ng label? Set na ba natin lahat? Ano ba? Patayin ko.
Bakit?
This is the moment.
Parang may naramdaman na ako kahapon. Ikaw mag-guess. I think.
Wow! One! One, bro! One! I don't know! May witness! May witness! May witness! Witness ko! Witness kami! May girlfriend na ako, bro!
Ang ingay!
May next set pa kami. May kakantahan ka pa namin. Andiyan ka muna dahil celebratory muna. Kakantahan ka muna namin. Umaydo bro, umaydo. Ulitin mo. Ano yung sagot mo? Ano yung sagot mo? Asa ba? Ano ulit? Malinaw.
Naiya. Abalok naman to.
Ako pinagtaboy.
Pasensya ka na, ito lang yung witness natin. Come on! Let's go!
Congrats.
Salamat! Tell you a story about a girl and a boy who fell in love with his best friend. When she's around, he feels nothing but joy. She was already broken and made her blind, but she can never believe love would ever treat her right. Did you know that I loved you, or were you not aware? You're the smile on my face, and I ain't going nowhere. I'm here to make you happy. I'm here to see you smile, but I've been wanting to tell you this for a long while. What's gonna make you fall in love? I know you got your wall wrapped all the way around your heart. Not to be scared at all of my love. But you can't fly unless you let you can't fly unless you let yourself fall. I will catch you if you fall. I will catch you if you fall. I will catch you if you fall. If you spread your wings, you can fly away with me. But you can't fly unless you let you can't fly unless you let yourself fall in love. I know you got your ball wrapped all the way around your heart. Not to be scared at all of my love. But you can't fly unless you let you can't fly unless you let yourself fall. Thank you. Salamat. Last song. Second set namin. Pa! 6.
Impromptu na to.
Oo. Hindi namin practice to. Upo ka. Yan.
Stop eh.
I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. I know that you are something special. To you, I'll be always faithful. I want to be what you always needed, and I hope you see the heart in me. I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone hope. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. You're the one I wanna chase. You're the one I wanna hold. I won't let another minute go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. Yeah. Beautiful soul. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Araneta.
Thank you, Roleta. Tapos namin. Salamat. Thank you.
Hindi namin expect na ganito yung ano ko.
We gotta push through.
Kailangan ituloy.
Ito na kami. Welcome. Ito na. Ito yung pinipare namin para sa'yo.
Parang walang kotse na nasira.
Hindi, biglaan lang to lahat. Walang preparation.
Kapon.
Napadaan lang ako dito.
Oh, wala na yung ito yung electronics na inaayos namin ito.
Oh, yan.
Ito yung electronics. Oh.
Hindi, wala. Nag-rehearse lang kami.
Yes. Okay, so yes. Practice time. Dahil dyan. Hindi kami susuko. Ano na siya, na corner na siya sa Mega Mall. Hindi pa rin kami sumusuko.
Umalis ako ng bahay mga 4:30.
Parang timang.
May boyfriend ka na. ano, may girlfriend ka na, di mo? May girlfriend ka na, di mo?
Sobrang swerte mo na.
Oo, sobrang
Kaya pala
Oo
mag-graduate
nga.
ka, kagraduate ko na.
Graduate na.
Kaya pala yun.
Ito pala, ito, sana nag-recording.
Tigil na ba?
Wow, nag-record.
Yung birthday ko kasi.
Hindi nag-record eh. Nag-recording, nice.
Everyday.